Hello everyone, I am Tarannu Mansoori, first year MMS student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. I am going to present on the topic of questionnaire design. So what is questionnaire design? The meaning of questionnaire design is a set of printed and written questions with a choice of answers devised for the purposes of a survey or statistical study. Example: questions sheet, set of questions, survey form, etc. Now we have the process of constructing the questionnaire. The first, decide the type of questionnaire that will be. Second, write down the questions. Third, combine all questions and decide on which order to present them. Fourth one is uh, returns the introdu- introductory systems or cover letter. Fifth, write the instructions to interviewers or respondents. Six, design the form. Seven, if the study is a nationwide survey, translate the questionnaire to the other major languages. And the last one is pretest the questionnaire. The next one is strategies in writing the questions. First, use the research objectives as the basis for your questions. Second point is you may borrow that were already asked in past studies. Third one is anticipate the possible problem that you might encounter in extracting informations from the respondents. Fourth point is consider the resources. Sixth point is consider the medium used in acquiring the responses. And the last one is consider the level of measurement required by the analysis that you have in mind. Then now we have types of questionnaire. There are the two types of questionnaire. First one is structured. In structures, wording and order of questions are uniform for all respondents. The second one is unstructured. In unstructured, wording and order of questions can vary for different subjects used for qualitative studies like FGDS, case studies, etc. The next one is types of questionnaire in survey research. There are the two types of questionnaire. First one is open-ended questions and second one is close-ended question. So let's see in detail what is open-ended question. Open-ended question. Response categories are not specified. Respondents are free to answer as they. Example, we should like to get your opinion regarding the effectiveness of the project in your. Now we have the close-ended. Close-ended respondents select one or more of the specific categories provided by the researchers or questions in asked as an open question and the allocates the answer to appropriate category. The next one is advantage of closed-ended question. The first advantage is the answer are standard and can be compared from person to person. The second advantage is the answer are much easier to code and analyze and often can be coded directly from the questionnaire. The third advantage is the respondents who is you sure about the meaning of the question can often tell from the answer categories what is expected. The last one is irrelevant responses are avoided. Now we have the disadvantages of close-ended question. It is very easy for a respondent who does not know the answer or the opinion to try to guess the appropriate answer or even to answer randomly. The second one is the respondents may frustrated because the appropriate category for his/her answer either is not provided at all or is not provided in sufficient detail. The last one is variance in answer among the different respondents may be eliminated artificially by forced choice respondents. Now we have the advantages of open-ended question. They can be used when all the possible answer categories are not known or when The investigator wishes to see what the respondents view as appropriate answer categories. They allow the respondents. Next is disadvantages of open-ended question. The first one is they may lead to collections of worthless and irrelevant information. Second one is coding is often very difficult and subjective, leading to low enter coded reliability. The third one is open-ended questions required superior writing skills, better ability to express one's feeling verbally, and generally a higher educational level than do closed open-ended question. The last one is open-ended questions required much more of the respondent's time and efforts and may generate a higher refusal rate. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.